No? A while ago, Mr. President, tatlong beses niyo po sinabi yung word na GAGO. And I move, Mr. Chairman, that we delete that from the record. And also that word as well.
Please, to the stenographers, please.
You
delete.
can even erase my mouth, sir, if you want.
You strike off from the record the foul language that was that we heard. Mr. President, kayo po ba pwede po kayong magpahinga? We can excuse you if you like.
No, sir. But i-backbite pa ako ninyo dito. Namuda nandito ako sa harap ninyo.
Mr. President, marami pa ho namang pagkakataon at we will still need your presence, and we would need your wisdom on some of the items that we want to deliberate on. So, medyo kung pagod na ho kayo.
Hindi pa ho.
Sir,
Hindi kayo pagod. Hindi pa rin ako pagod. Sabay na tayong mapagod. Para sabay tayong umuwi.
Mr. President, we have a lot of topics in the next hearing pa po sa POGO and also dun sa public accounts. So,
Interesado rin ako, sir. Wala, and I'm not ignorante ako dyan, pero I'd like to learn.
Okay.
It's a learning process kasi dito.
So, yes, thank you, Mr. President. Yes, gaya po ng
Mr. Chair,
ko kanina.
Mr. Chair.
Mr. President, sandali
Mr.
lang
Chair,
po.
ako po muna.
Congressman Navantes, sandali lang po.
I can sense that...
let the chairman have the floor first.
Go ahead.
Ano, nakalimutan ko tuloy. I was about to say, Your Honors, na malalim na nga yung gabi at I think pagod na rin ang ating resource person.
Palalimin pa natin, sir, para mas malalim ang baon ko itong...
Siguro,
Sir, manifest muna ako maikli before I
tapos
proceed.
ng pagtatanong ni Congressman Manuel, itutuloy natin itong ating hearing sa susunod na scheduled hearing natin, which is on November 21st. So,
Malayo masyado yun, sir. Bukas siguro.
Mr. Chair.
I cannot wait. I really cannot wait. Ay, kumakatin na yung paa ko, pati kamay ko. I cannot wait.
Mr. President, gusto po namin kayo makapagpahinga.
Ayoko rin, sir. Total, sabay naman tayo. Kung babagsak ka dyan, babagsak rin ako.
Medyo
Gusto
matagal pa
ko-
po tayo bumagsak dito, Mr. President.
At saka,
So, anyway,
maaga pa, sir.
ito ang ano natin, siguro, unless there is a motion from any of my colleagues here and my co-chairs,
Mr.
if
Chair.
you want to continue.
I object.
Can I speak?
Okay, Congressman Abante, you're recognized.
Ako po yung nakikiusap sa ating presidente.
Ayos, sir. Pag ikaw nakikiusap, surrender. Pag nire-respeto ko yung tao, sir.
Mapahinga na po kayo. Please.
Sir, pag sinabi mo,
Kasi sense ko po, nagmumura na kayo, kaya kailangan magpahinga na kayo.
respect you, I will follow what you say.
Salamat po.
Pag
Thank you very
wala
much.
akong respeto sa iyo, sampalin kita, gago ka.
Pakisabi niyo po na i-delete. Kayo na lang magsabing i-delete.
Sige po,
I-delete na lang ninyo lahat ng sinabi ko
maliwanag po
para
na...
wala nang masabi ang tao. Lahat na total, baka sabihin ninyo, palusot lang. Let the investigators find out. Or, I will give you a blanket authority, sir.
Mr. Chairman, I move to suspend this hearing to the...
Open my
See,
bank account.
Mr. Chair.
Yes, sir.
Let us wrap up first.
Yeah.